guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new to my channel. I know I've had a few new subscribers this past week, so welcome. I'm so glad you guys joined me. For those of you who live on the East Coast, I'm sure you have the same weather today with snow and freezing rain because snowstorm Izzy is moving through. And lucky for me, I have the day off because it's a holiday and my daughter is visiting her Grammys over the long weekend. My husband's at work, so I finally have some time to myself, which I am spending mostly in the craft room trying to make some flowery spring creations because it's only the middle of January, but I'm so over winter already. So I figured, hey, why don't you just make some spring stuff for your junk journals with flowers and bright colors, just to feel a little more happy and not so down and depressed because of all the ice and snow outside. Okay, so I just spent the last maybe hour making this collage board or collage. I put it on a scrapbook paper. It has like some weird orangey pink pattern that I don't like, so I tend to use my scrapbook paper that I don't use for scrapbooking. I tend to use that for collages or other projects where I cover the ugly paper up. And so yeah, I am going to cut this into tags and maybe some journaling cards, and then I'm going to decorate it. And I thought, hey, I don't want to just do this by myself and sit here and be bored. Well, I'm not bored, but I watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos, but I want to talk to someone too, so why not talk to you guys? Okay, so how I did this was I took I have so many books with old book pages, or like old book pages from books that I've taken apart. So I took a few pages and I just collaged the background of my collage board, and then I took some printed digital papers, and then I also added some rice paper. And I really love how this turned out with the whole pink and green and beige. Just makes me feel like spring. And yeah, so I'm gonna flip this over and I'm going to cut it in half. So this is the tag size that I usually use. I also have smaller ones, but this is about 3 inches. Let's see, it's a little more than 3 inches by like 6 1/4. But I figured since this is a 12 by 12 paper, I'll just go cut it in half. So I have 6, so it's going to be 6 inches tall. And then I get 4 tags out of 1/2 because I'm going to do like 3. And then this I might cut into 4 by 6 pieces, so I can get 3 pieces out of this. All right, so let's do that. And okay, first we're going to cut it in half, so it's 6 inches. And I have no idea what it's going to look like on the front because I'm going to let it surprise me. So I said 3, so I should get 4 out of it because 4 times 3 is 12. If you hear some scratching noises or some licking noises, my dog's here with me, and he's climbing back into his chair. Okay, so do I want journaling cards? Let's just do 4, cut at 4 inches. All right, I hope you are all doing well, and for those of you who have the snowstorm in their area, I hope you are staying warm and you didn't lose power. I am very surprised that we haven't lost power, especially on Saturday. We had strong winds. I guess I can take this off or glue it down. We had strong winds. It was, let's see, it was -6 out, but the wind chill was like -35. So in Celsius, that would be like maybe negative 21 degrees Celsius, and then the wind chill was like negative 30, 31 degrees. So yeah, it was not fun to go outside, and I had to go run errands and grocery shop. So oh, I didn't mean to turn this over yet. Okay, so I guess I can turn him over. So we have this tag, and this, and this, and this. So, oh, that's really neat that it actually cut off the butterfly red, or cut it right in the middle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim those little corners up there, and then I'm going to decorate them. And I actually like that there is like no one focal point yet in the background, because then it won't distract from my focal point that I'm going to add to it. And then these lovelies, wow, these are really pretty. I like them. And I'm also going to stitch around them. It says like 2 stamps. It's really pretty. Looks crooked. Okay, so let's do the tags first. Let's see. Scissors. Well, I can use scissors. Oops. Actually, you know what? So you can either just cut one side and then move that little corner over and cut the other side, or you can just eyeball it, or you can just draw it, but it's so tiny. Okay, tag number 1, and then we're also, oh, that didn't work out. And then we're also going, or I'm going to sew around these ones as well, and I want to distress them. I guess I can just do it this way. I spend my morning making a ephemera holder. This one. And I'm gonna probably film a quick video later where I talk about it. It's not gonna be like a tutorial, it's just like a project chair, but I really like it, and I have to fill it. So I might do this after this video. And I know I still have to upload my, or actually I already have it uploaded, the part 2 of my art journal one, video. And I also have a video that's a challenge with my friend Darcy. I also got that done, I just have to upload it. Okay, so we got these lovely tags. Okay, so with these ones, I think I went around corners. Let me get my corner punch. What am I going to do with these? I don't know yet. Whoops, that didn't work. Ugh. Here we go. And I also have to back them. Probably coffee dyed paper. Okay. I don't have any journals planned where I can use these. However, I just felt like making a collage and just making something pretty. And then I thought, well, I don't have to use it for anything. I can just make it and stash it, or give it away, or I don't know. It's my art therapy, or my craft therapy to relax. Okay, so let's just trim this. Righty. This rice paper is so fuzzy. Are you guys interested in another junk journal haul? Because I have collected a whole bunch of new things over the past few months. and they're all like in one pile because I was wondering if I should make a haul, because my last big haul was fairly, the video was fairly popular. I can link it up here if you're interested. So that was like for Amazon, and I tried to link, like, if this stuff is still for sale, then I try to link to it. I do get a very small percentage, like a commission, because I'm an affiliate with Amazon, but it's no extra cost to you guys. It's just Amazon sharing their profits, but usually it's very tiny, but it adds up to a few bucks, which in return helps me out. Okay, so let's see what we could do. I have some, what happened to them? I have these are little, I printed these a little small. Fuzzy cut, and then I also have my scraps. It's like die cuts. Let's see if we have anything spring in here. I know I had some spring. Oh yeah, some spring flowers, but I think the style might not work. It's not the same. It's not the same style. Maybe the roses. Here are some roses. Ugh. Oh, some of them are nice. I like this one. Okay, let's leave the roses out and see what we can do with them. I was hoping I could use these, but these seem so, like, old, like vintage or antique, so they don't go with this style, I think. Nope. Bummer. Oh, but I have butterfly stickers. Do you have any birdies? Nope. It's not the same style. Okay, come on. Don't get stuck. Fairy tales. More birdies. More fairy tales. What about these? Maybe I can use this somehow. Christmas trees. A little late for that. This is too brown. Okay. Oh my gosh, now I'm losing everything here. Let's put these back in here. Ooh. It's one drawback with these guys. They're so difficult to get into their packaging because they all get tangled up. Okay, I'm not gonna do this right now. I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, so what else do we have? I found, I don't know if that works. I went to Joann Fabric, and they had their own collection, a Parkling collection. They had these beautiful cards, but I don't think these work. I bought them because you can always put them in a junk journal. I just love these flowers. Okay, and then I also have, oops, no, I also have some fuzzy cut flowers. Let's see, I don't know if there's any pink left. Mushrooms. No, I might have to cut some more out. That's too bright. Okay, I shall do some fuzzy cutting, and then we'll see how we can decorate. Alrighty, so I have fuzzy cut a couple of flowers. Where's the other ones? This one and this one. Are these pretty? And then we have those scraps. And then I also collected some pieces of lace or ribbon that I had laying around. And then, I think last year on Etsy, I bought like a grab bag of different paper pieces and things, and it included these gold pieces. And so I thought maybe I can somehow put this like on a border or something. We shall see. Okay, so here's all my tags and cards. And now we're going to see what we're going to put where. Okay, so I really like this one. Oh, this one might look nice. And if you watch Teal and Tattered, Martina's channel, some of these papers and these roses might look familiar because they are purchased from her Etsy store. I love her style and all the things that she creates, so this is a little inspired by her. I actually watched her craft therapy video earlier when I was making my collage. Okay, so I can't decide where I want to put all these. Here's some pink. Oh, I'm putting it. What? How do you? Oh, it goes this way. Okay. So I'm not sure what these are. Just some kind of flowers, I guess. Oh, I guess you can bend these up. What can I use? What can I use? I don't like the color, and I might have to trim. I'm gonna trim chips. Okay, so let's just start with some, so we can actually get something done. Do I want any gold? Do I want any lace? Oh, I don't know which way it goes. I think this way. And I can also maybe put some book page in there, or some vellum, or some tissue paper. Got a bunch of pink tissue paper that I also used in the collage. Oops. I don't know if that does anything. No. Let's see. Do we have any old yellowish book pages? All right. So this is French, but it's nice and yellow. So this might help make this stand out a little more. We could either cut around it, or we could tear around it, or we just take a piece of it and put it behind the flower. Okay, I like that. I think my ducks are super happy that it's not so freezing cold out today, because it's been really cold and I'm sure they have cold feet. I tell them every day that soon spring will arrive. Well, soon. In a few months, but I cannot wait. I'm so excited for it. Do I want a piece of this? Yes, I do. Ugh. Where's this gold thing? Might put, I don't even know where I got this from, but I like it. It has like these cute little, they're all falling off. Sequins. Uh-oh. That probably was not a good idea. Okay, so let's just start gluing this stuff down. I have ordered some new art glitter glue, and I really hope that I'll get it soon because I need more. Ugh. Huh? Are you empty? Almost empty. Oh, there was a clog in there. All right. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Ah. Just add some more texture and some more color, or like I like the reflection of it. Okay, where's my flower? Was it this one? Yes. Wow, it's really coming down outside. Freezing rain. Yuckies. Okay. I really like this. So I also have a whole bunch of tickets here, but I'm not sure if any of the colors would work. Maybe one of the pink ones, because these are fair. Well, maybe some of those. I could have tried some of those. Oh, okay. They're fairly thin. I like these. I have had those laying around forever and I've never used them. So, time to use up your stash. Which one do I like? I like this one. Oh, these are all one. Okay. I gotta. Where are my little scissors? I thought you can actually tear them, but you can't. These are all just one piece. That's neat. Okay. What else can we put on here? What else? I'm not a fan of this big white in here, but I feel like I can't. What's the little scissors? I feel like I can't really fuzzy cut that out because I'm gonna maybe tear it. Ugh. Well, maybe. I'm not the best fuzzy cutter. Oh, I guess that works. Just to eliminate some of that white. Ta-da! Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, do we want some of that gold? Or do we want some of this gold? This is super bright. I feel like it might be too bright, but I really like this. So I might just trim some more off and make a bigger mess with all the sequins. Wah! Okay. Ugh. That works. Ugh, my glue is leaking. Yeah, don't do that, please. Oh, it has some Bible scripture on here, or Bible verses. Interesting. I did not see that. And the gold part. Ugh. I hope it'll stick. And my flower. So what's your guys' favorite favorite crafty thing to do if you just need like some craft therapy to relax and you're not really working on like on a certain big project like a junk journal or painting or whatever? I just like gluing stuff. Oh my gosh. And then dropping it on my desk. Yeah, sometimes I just have to like tell myself it's okay to just create just for the fun, like fun of it. You don't have to create something like make a whole project. You can just create like stuff like this. At some point I will be able to use it in my, why are you not sticking, in a journal. But it's okay if you don't do anything with it. It's just so you still had fun making it. And I think that's the most important part. Okay, got these lovelies. And let's see what else we can do. I can probably fast forward because this is going to be a long video again. Hey, we got some greenery here that I cut off. Well, that doesn't look right. There's some butterflies. Maybe I'll do this. Okay. I shall fast forward so you can still watch me craft, and then I'll show you what I created in the end of the video. to fussy cut another flower because all the flowers I had I didn't like for this particular journaling card. Okay, so now I sewed around each one. Before that, I backed them all with coffee dyed paper. Some have patterned coffee dyed paper like this one. And then I also, you can see on this one, I put some gold on the edges a little bit. Okay, so this is number 1. Oops. I like that you can still see this little stamp sticker. Then we have this one. The glue is still drying down here. Not a big fan of this one. I think that's my least favorite one. And then we have this journaling card. And this one. And I really like these tags. Just like, I love the different layers, and then there's some transparency going on. I love this one. Did a little bit of zigzag on a few. And then this one. That was so much fun to make them. Oh gosh, I gotta clean my mat because there's glittery stuff everywhere now. Yeah, so give my video a thumbs up if you like those tags, and let me know if you got snow and ice from the snowstorm Izzy. And yeah, I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.